Hi guys, this is Marieta, founder of ImmigrationBIz. In this video I would like to discuss what is going on with immigration in United States, and me as an immigration attorney, I've been watching the news and I want to give you some updates on the immigration policy and on the executive orders that were recently signed by President Trump. So as you already know, President Trump signed the executive order regarding the wall, the execution of the wall and building of the wall actually, to ensure the border security, which I believe that is not going to affect you as long as you are planning to immigrate to United States legally. This has no significant impact on your life. So let's move on to the other order that he signed, which is banning Muslim countries based on the religion. And this is pretty, I believe, pretty tough. And also I watched some news this morning regarding this topic. There were banned some refugees as well, because that is part of the order. He's banning refugees for 4 months temporarily coming from these countries, and he is banning other visitors for 3 months. The question is whether this is constitutional. I'm not constitutional attorney, so I can tell based on the information that I have, knowledge that I have, it seems unconstitutional to ban people, discriminate people, in fact discriminate people based on religion and a national origin. And there is a law from 1965 that is actually banning to discriminate based on origin, national origin, and also therefore it is unconstitutional. The question is whether there can be a ban based on religion, and especially regarding the visitors or people who are not necessarily immigrants, because there is a difference between being immigrant and being a visitor. So I want to make sure you understand the difference. In order to be considered to be immigrant, you have to be immigrating to United States, meaning you coming on temporary, not temporary, but permanent visa options, which is the green card. In that case, you are considered immigrant. However, if you're coming to the US based on non-immigrant visa type, which are most of the other visas, such as a student visa, visitor visa, working visa, even H-1B, even E-2, this investor visa is part of non-immigrant visa category. You are not necessarily, based on the law, you are not immigrant. So in that case, that regulation might apply. So this is the second option. This is the second ban that he did, and now it's creating lots of there is a chaos going on. There were people who were refugees who were already banned to enter the country in New York. Even there were some lawsuits that already started against President and this new policy. So we will see how it's going to continue. Again, this is temporary, meaning it's in place for the next 3 to 4 months. So the 4-month ban is applying to refugees, and 3 months is applying to visitors from these countries. Another order was to crack down all and stop the sanctuary cities. So first of all, I want to clarify what is this sanctuary city. There are many cities in the United States who are protecting immigrants, who are protecting illegal immigrants, meaning they are refusing to follow the law. They are refusing to follow, enforce the federal law, immigration law. And in order to ensure protection to these illegal immigrants, they are refusing to cooperate with ICE, the law enforcement immigration officers, on the local level, meaning in the state, in the cities. So basically they want to protect you from, let's say, stopping you on a street and subject you to deportation right away. Imagine you walking to the store and suddenly you're stopped by the local officer who will ask you what is your immigration status. The moment they find out that you are there illegally or you are out of status, you will be subject to deportation. So this is what Trump wants to accomplish with banning sanctuary cities. The question is whether these sanctuary cities will cooperate in such a way, because for them to be able to cooperate, there will be more staff necessary. Obviously, police officers have other things to do, not be constantly involved in stopping people on the streets and asking about immigration status. So in that case, Trump already mentioned he's going to hire other staff that will execute these orders. So we'll see how that is going to unfold. He is threatening to deport 11 million people, 11 million immigrants. It's a huge number, and with this number is also necessary to add budget to this execution of these plans. So we'll see how it's gonna go. But these are the updates. This is what he is talking about recently, and these are the executive orders that he signed and are relating to these issues. So if you are in the US illegally, then of course you should be concerned. However, I would not start freaking out. Imagine there is 11 million people who are illegally in the United States, so it's a huge number, and I don't think that by being in fear, freaking out is going to help you. So just stay calm, and we'll see how it's going to be implemented and executed. In fact, if you are from the countries that are banned to visit the United States, I would advise you to wait a little bit, maybe postpone your travels and see how this situation will unfold. This is just a temporary ban, so again, stay calm and do not freak out. And if you are planning to come to the United States, you are on visitor visa or you want to apply and you are from different countries, if you have any questions, please leave your comment below. I will answer as soon as I can. And I think personally it's very important to stay calm, because I'm also immigrant and I believe America is based on immigrants. So this policy is very drastic, and it's just a matter of time when it's gonna be solved in an appropriate way. So let's hope and see. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time.